to the neighborhood, kids. See all that brown on the ground? That's leaves. These are all post oak trees. They grow in this area because soil conditions and the rain conditions are good. See up here, there are no leaves. We've got a heavy, good 15-25 mile an hour wind today. So the wind is blowing all the leaves over that way. And at home, I've got the same thing. And the dogs, when I started out, dogs were just too excited, so I couldn't slow them down much. But I've got Copper and Sunshine together today. Hey, hey! Assholes. People come down here and eat chicken, and now he's got a chicken bone. Hang on.